Of 86 degrees. So we're starting off warm. We're coming off of a record hot day yesterday. We didn't cool off as much during the overnight hours. And so now most spots are already in the mid 90s, which is about normal for an afternoon high for Phoenix this time of year. And it's only 9:45 in the morning. So yeah, we're warming it up quickly. We're headed for another record today. We've had 8 days in a row, 8 consecutive days of breaking records. This will be day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12. We'll talk about when this ends coming up in just a moment here. Let's talk about today, though. 108 I've got as our forecast for today. 107 is the record. 109 tomorrow. 105 is the record. 110 for Friday. 105 is the record for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We're going to smash those records, unfortunately, because we're getting into mid-October, so the records are actually getting lower. Our temperatures, however, are getting higher. It's Wednesday. Let's look ahead to the weekend. I know you've got outdoor plans. If you've not heard yet, our excessive heat warning has just been extended through the weekend. So first alert weather days for your Saturday, which again will be near 109, and your Sunday, which I think is going to be a tad hotter, 110. Both mornings will be spent in the 80s. Outlying areas, maybe a few upper 70s. Overall, the warm weather looks to continue through at least the first part of next week because we're under a ridge of high pressure that keeps us dry and warm. If we go forward in time here and take a look at our changing weather pattern, when it might actually change, we'll take you first to this afternoon. I want to pause and show you we've got a chance for a few showers in eastern and northern Arizona again today. Very isolated in nature. I don't think we have that chance for any of those making it into the valley like we saw yesterday. And then we really dry it out the next couple of days. This ridge is persistent. It's stubborn. It's staying in place. These storms are going to stay well to the north of Arizona. That storm track, that jet stream really keeps things far to the north. And this ridge does look to strengthen now Saturday and Sunday. And that's why we're bumping up those temperatures and extending the heat warning. The Weather Service extends that heat warning. But that's why that happens over the weekend. Now, early next week, we're starting to see some changes. Our ridge weakens a bit. Temperatures come down to maybe 108 for Monday. After that, we're seeing the potential for more relief. Remember, the further we go out with a forecast, the less certainty there is in how it's going to play out. But this is the next trough of low pressure, and this one looks like it might come a bit further south. Could squash that ridge a bit and help temperatures to start coming down. Not promising any huge relief, but I think we're going to start to see temperatures come down again as we head into next week, middle of next week. In the meantime, 80s for Flag, 80s for Grand Canyon, low 90s continue for Payson, and triple-digit heat as far as we can see for the valley. But the peak of it really does look to be that Friday through Sunday time frame at 109 to 110.